Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix the ghost touch problem on your DOOGEE Blade 20 Max. So first, what you guys want to do is remove your screen protector, because it can cause the interference, and let me explain why. Basically, whenever you have a screen protector applied here, then what it can do is when it's misaligned, it's covering even a tiny edge of either side of the phone, then it can cause your screen to cause the ghost touches because there's something pressing between the screen. And if you have a screen protector properly placed, then it's just that, and this is different. So if it's misaligned, then remove it and see if that makes any difference. Now what you guys can do is to clean your screen to remove any debris, moisture and fingerprints. So I recommend using a microfiber cloth for it. 4 swipes is definitely enough to clean your screen. As you guys can see, let's go over and do our first 2. Now our screen is pretty and shiny, and what we can do next is to restart our phone to refresh the system. So maybe it's just a system issue, and all you guys have to do is press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now let's click restart, and the phone now is restarting. So I'll see you guys once it's done. Now after the restart, what you guys can do is go over and update your software to fix any touch glitches. So go over to the settings and swipe down until you guys see the system. Here, go to system updates, and now click check for updates. All you need to say Wi-Fi connection. My system is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version of your software, because in the previous versions there were a lot of glitches, and in the newer ones most of them are gone. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.